Yeah, I really hope. Oh my gosh. Ugh.
I've been waiting for this one. Turn it up.
Oh my gosh, what up everybody? So, it's just me, your favorite neighborhood troll, sitting here looking troll-like. We're gonna get better than this, I promise. I thought today, I'm so sorry, I'm so tired. I got up so early this morning. It has nothing to do with what I'm about to tell you about, but I feel like we're gonna do a tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to make your hair humidity proof for whatever season you're in, my sister, because we shouldn't have to put up with this. So I look like a hot ass mess. You can see my hair, I don't know what it's doing. It doesn't know what it's doing. It's living its life. It's humid life in Arizona right now because it's the end of monsoon season. We struggling, okay? We struggling. So we're gonna do it together. It's wash day, so I'm gonna wash my leave out. Put my hair up, separate it from the weave. All right, so now we're gonna wash this hair now that it's separated and all brushed out, and I'm gonna meet you in the shower. Now that I've washed my hair, these are basically dry. But I'm still gonna put in some product. This is by Redken. This is their anti-snap leave-in conditioner. This became one of my favorite conditioners, and I was doing my hair blue all the time because my hair had to be lightened when I was doing my natural hair, and it literally it was not healthy anymore. So I found by putting this in there because it helps rebuild the proteins and just help keep the hair happy without feeling like it's gonna fall off and just be nasty. Now I'm gonna use my wet brush. This is my favorite wet brush. So excuse the hair, but I love it because it's flexy. And not only now am I able to go through my hair without it ripping, but it automatically just kind of bends with it. And I love that. Wet brushes in general are my favorite hair brushes. If you have not tried one, I recommend it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna get ready to blow dry it. So I'm gonna use Paul Mitchell's Super Skinny. This helps cut down blow dry time. And then I'm also gonna use Paul Mitchell's Awapuhi. And this is a styling treatment oil. I have to do these two together. That was a lot with my hair. It needs it. Trust me. And this really, like, one helps not have my hair be really dry when I flat iron it. And it helps my dry time when I'm blow drying it. It helps it not feel all dry and brittle when I'm blow drying it. Now, to get my hair nice and silky smooth, I'm gonna put in another product. So it's a Kenra product. I love Kenra so much. And it's their Silkening hot cream. So this is really cool. It's a thermal protectant, so this will be good for when I'm using the flat iron. And I'm just going to run this through the hair. This is going to help give the hair such a wonderful silky texture when I flat iron it, and also help it not get as damaged. It's gonna protect it, keep it nice and soft and hydrated. So when I first go through to flat iron my hair, this is when I wanna get it like super straight. This is my favorite flat iron. It's called a Vibrastraight. It vibrates. The oscillation really helps you get through each strand and smooth it out and make sure each hair gets heat evenly without it being where you're super just crunching it in normal flat irons. Already looks so much better. I'm gonna slick my edges and then I'm going to do my makeup and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna style this bitch. We gonna style her. Me, we're gonna style me, her, me, this weave, and my hair. For my edges, I'm gonna take my Got2b glue. Now that my edges are all nice and done, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my makeup off camera and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna style this hair. So I finished doing my makeup and now we're gonna finish this hair. I changed my shirt. Probably should have changed my shirt before I did my makeup because I got makeup on my shirt. So I have my Vibra Straight again. I'm gonna go over just these little pieces right here, just the ends, and I'm gonna pick up some of the extensions with it. Grabbing a section blended in with the extension, it definitely makes it blend a lot easier, a lot nicer. Go ahead and put in some extensions. Just want to see how they fit before I clip them. Alrighty. Most of my hair, like, yes, there's a little bit of hair here that you can see, but most of my hair, besides right here, it's pretty much hidden, and that's what I wanted. You know, it's humid, like I have been saying. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna curl the ends of this. But I section it into two sections on both sides, and then I section that in half, and I do a top and a bottom section. So I'm starting in the back of my bottom section. here we are. We are finally done. Finally looking fall-tastic. We're ready. Y'all, this took me so long to get just to this point, but it's fine. We're here now. I feel great. I look cute. It's fantastic. I'm gonna say, out of all the years that I've been doing my hair, so my whole life, right? This product, by far, by Kenra, Silkening Heat Cream, has been the best cream I've ever used to get my hair super nice and smooth and just perfect to flat iron. Not going through and blow drying my hair with a pick or anything like that. Like this is a silk press. Like my hair is it's bomb, okay? So I'm really hype about that. Ugh. Y'all didn't even tell me I got lipstick on my teeth. You ain't real friends. Just kidding. I'll take that back. I'll take it back. The lipstick that I'm wearing is by Melt Cosmetics and it's in ebony. Oh my god. This is probably my favorite lip color. Besides Bone they have is one of the regular lipsticks that's black. But this is going to be probably my favorite go-to for fall and just for anytime I want a really good like dark brown lip. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I feel really cute right now. I'm going to have to go take some selfies because let me tell you, I be feeling real freaking cute right now. Put a shirt on that doesn't have makeup on. Oh, we cute. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and if you a real one, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna turn on that notification bell because you want to know when I upload again, because I never really do. So it's not like I'm gonna bother you or anything, so turn that notification bell on. Y'all have a fantastic day, and go ahead and let me know down in the comments what else you would like to see on my channel. Bye.